call int function on every list element. I have a list with numeric strings, like so. I would like to convert every list element to integer, so it would look like this. I could do it using a loop, like so. Does it have to be so ugly? I'm sure there is a more Pythonic way to do this in one line of code. Please help me out.
This is what list comprehensions are for.
In Python 2.x, another approach is to use map. Note, in Python 3.x, map returns a map object which you can convert to a list if you want.
Just a point. The list comprehension is more natural, while is faster. Probably this will not matter in most cases. Useful read, LP versus map.
If you are intending on passing those integers to a function or method, consider this example. This construction is intentionally remarkably similar to list comprehensions mentioned by Adam. Without the square brackets, it's called a generator expression, and is a very memory-efficient way of passing a list of arguments to a method. A good discussion is available here: generator expressions versus list comprehension.